Physics Part 173. The condition for a wave to be plane polarized is for the vibrations to be in just one direction, normal to the direction in which the wave is traveling. Clearly, polarization can apply only to the transverse waves. Longitudinal waves vibrate along the direction of the wave travel, and whatever the orientation of the slit, it would make no difference to the transmission of the waves. The fact that light can be polarized was understood only in the early 1800s. This was the most important discovery. It showed that light is transverse wave motion and opened the way 50 years later to Maxwell's theory of light as electromagnetic radiation. Maxwell described light in terms of oscillating electric and magnetic fields at right angles to each other and at right angles to the direction of travel of the wave energy. When we talk about the direction of polarization of a light wave, we refer to the direction of the electric field component of the electromagnetic wave. The sun and domestic light bulbs emit unpolarized light. That is, the vibration takes place in many directions at once, instead of the single plane associated with plane polarized radiation. Polarizing light waves. Some transparent materials such as Polaroid sheet allow vibrations to pass through one direction only. A Polaroid sheet contains long chains of organic molecules aligned parallel to each other. When unpolarized light arrives at the sheet, the current of the electric field of the incident radiation, which is parallel to the molecules, is strongly absorbed, whereas radiation with its electric field perpendicular to the molecules is transmitted through the sheet. The Polaroid sheet acts as a polarizer, producing plane polarized light from the light that was originally unpolarized. The figure illustrates unpolarized light entering the polarizer and polarized light leaving it. Unpolarized electromagnetic wave. Direction of wave energy. Wave vibrations are in more than one direction. Polarized electromagnetic wave. Direction of wave energy. Wave vibrations are in one direction. Unpolarized and polarized electromagnetic waves. Unpolarized light. Polarizer. Plane polarized light. If you try to view plane polarized light through a second sheet of Polaroid, which is placed so that its polarizing direction is at right angles to the polarizing direction of the first sheet, it will be found that no light is transmitted. In this arrangement, the polarides are said to be crossed. The second Polaroid sheet is acting as an analyzer. If the two polarides have their polarizing directions parallel, then plane polarized light from the first Polaroid can pass through the second. These two situations are illustrated in the figure.